Good morning, Dan. All right. Here's your 539. All put back together again. Testing and adjustment went quickly and easily. Using the same kit. Sit down inside. Nice and dry. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. That's what you like to see. Let me look again. All right, and the flow just set exactly right. No dribbling. Look at the numbers. Currently, I think at about 640. I like 650 to 700, but that's okay. Fuel pressure is about 2.75. Vacuum with that new shaft is 23. All right, let's pull it through a couple times. See what it looks like. All right, sir. I think you're gonna like it. Thank you, sir.